Hey guys, sorry I ain't made a video in ages. Honestly, it's just because of all this corona stuff. Like, with everything going on at the moment, I cannot make any videos. So all my videos are outside with this. You know, they're not inside where everyone has to be with all this social distancing stuff. So, there's a complete lack of videos. But I'll try to change that. I don't want there to be a lack of videos. There just is. So, in case you can't see from this, new tyres on the Sinnis wheels, just not beaded or anything yet because I need a compressor or a shop to do that for me. And yeah, bike's looking like a unicycle for a bit, but that's fine. This will be fixed soon enough, and as soon as it is fixed, should be back on, should be rolling around the garden, lovely. And now let me just show you a few things. So, ignore the seat being off for a minute, but just look at the fuel tank. Look how clean this looks compared to how it's always looked in every other video. Because what I've done is I've just sanded back all of the rust spots. Yeah, I'm not telling you what's going to be happening with this tank. You're going to find that out in a very soon to come video. But I have tried flattening it out to an extent, trying to get rid of the rust spots. But they are going to be permanently visible until the thing gets, well, a bit of a different thing than what I want to do to it. But yeah, it would need a different procedure done to it than what I'm doing to get rid of them forever. I mean, I could use body filler. I've got a fiberglass body filler, but it's a bit too heavy duty for this job. It's more for big things. Like you can see there's quite a big ding there, but it's not the right sort of thing, you know? Can you just see it in the camera there? But yeah, it's not too bad, but yeah. But one thing I want to sort out is these clocks. Lauren wants some digital ones. Currently I can't afford them, so I want to do something temporarily just for it to be rideable, and then we can change it in a few months' time. But to be fair, they are completely just abused, especially now, and yeah, I think some digital ones would be good, to be fair. But yeah, so that's enough of me. That's enough of me chatting shit for a minute now. Let's actually get into an interesting video, because that's what we all love, don't we? The interesting bits, not the boring bits of me in the garden doing nothing. Who likes that? Who likes just talking? Pfft. You go watch a podcast or listen to a podcast if you wanted that, wouldn't you? Now I'm just out on the old treader, riding, and I'm just riding to meet Lauren. I haven't seen her in the last 5.5, 6 weeks because of this lockdown. Whenever it started, whenever speculation started is the last time we saw each other. Before the lockdown and that, completely. So, it's been a long old time. Ignore me older hair. It's a bit windy. But, I'm not on the same push bike as normal, I'm on a bit of a different one. Ooh. And today, I'm on the yellow felt. And you may be asking yourself, wait, what yellow felt? We haven't seen a yellow felt on this channel before. Well, that's because it belongs to my good friend Rich. As you all know Rich. Because Rich, he's the mechanic, isn't he? He's the fucking mechanic. With the least mechanical knowledge I've probably... Oh, not everyone on the channel. Most people. So, why am I on the felt and not the Trek? Well, in case you didn't see the video of the Trek dying, it died a very painful death. I didn't actually get to record the Trek dying itself, but I recorded it straight after it died. And basically the rear derailleur and the chain got tied up in a complete loop around the back wheel. And I replaced the derailleur. That was easy. I replaced the chain after finding out that was twisted. That wasn't too bad either, just with a little tool. Go to ride the bike, and it just won't do anything. I'm in first gear, the highest gear, lowest gear on the front, the smallest one. Biggest one in the rear, so the highest one. And just wasn't going. It was just clicking. Like as if the chain was jumping, so I was like, okay, maybe the chain's a bit too long. So I took a few looks at the chain, same thing. This is really weird. And then I've just gone through everything, tried adjusting everything up, and no matter what I did, it just wouldn't work anymore. So I've thrown my back wheel onto this bike for Richard. So it finally has a rear brake, because it didn't have it at the start. And yeah, now I'm just riding this about. Payment for giving him a new back wheel and stuff is just me borrowing it. But it is the back wheel from the Trek, but the Trek seems like a lost cause at the moment, so I'm just gonna wait and do that one at a later date, you know? Buy myself all brand new parts, so I can already get rid of the old parts, so I have to buy brand new, rather than trying to budget like always. Also, a big shout out to Rich. He actually has a gaming channel. It's called Locksy GamingHD all you have to search up on YouTube is Locksy. L-O-C-K-S-Y. That's all you have to search, and it's the first result coming up. So, you know what I mean? He's got to be good to be the first result, isn't he? And yeah, he's just a top G for letting me borrow his bike, you know? Like, you cannot go wrong with borrowing your mate's bike. All I had to do was fix a few bits and stuff on it. Nothing wrong with that, is there? Not at all. Coming up to the main road now. But, whew, fucking hell, my hair again. But if you have a good friend like Rich, let me know in the comments. And also let me know in the comments if you're suffering the same sort of thing where you can't see a loved one throughout this whole coronavirus thing. And I hope everyone is doing well. Fucking just let me know what's going on. I want to know what's part of your guys' lives as well, not just my life, you know. Just, it's a good little insight. Now, I've just been coming through Harefield. In case you don't know where that is, it's in Southampton. Not a very nice place. I mean, it's not the worst. There's definitely a few worse places in Southampton, I'll give you that. But it's not the best. And I saw one car the whole way through. Like, I saw plenty of cars, don't get me wrong, but one driving car on the road. And that's pretty crazy for a heavily built up area like that. You know, just trying to cross the road at the moment. Oh! Glad I recorded that. Fucking GTR. Or Skyline at least, even if it wasn't a GTR. Sexy as fuck. Is where the trek broke. Not on these speed bumps exactly, but I'll keep going around the corner and I'll show you properly what happened. Oh, lovely day for a cruise. So I was coming along these speed bumps here. There's no cars or anything on that side of the road. It's quite a clear day. I'd just met Lauren. I was coming back down the road. I was like, oh, you know what, babe? I think I should do a few tricks. She's like, yeah, why not? So, well, she didn't actually. She never encourages me because she knows what I'm like. So I come up this speed bump here. Got a nice older air time on it, and as soon as I've landed, I've just gone everywhere. And I'm like, what the fuck is going on? And my chain was right around my back wheel. And I had to walk all the way home. So, yeah, but I didn't have to walk all the way home from this way, no. This would have been way too easy to have come this way here. No, I had to go all the way back down that way, the way I was coming, to West End. So I was actually coming through West End and I had to go all the way up Chalk Hill to get home. Rather than this way, because this way would have been a lot quicker. I'm just going to pull up now and I'm going to wait for Lauren because, well, she'll be here any minute soon. And I haven't seen her in a few months and I can't even give her a kiss and cuddle, and it's pretty fucking upsetting, to be fair. But I can't even, like, love my own girlfriend, you know what I mean? And I haven't seen her in weeks. But what I've got to do to keep her alive, because unfortunately she has a disease that I'm not really going to talk about and stuff. Like, it's not her fault or anything like that. It's not dirty or anything like that. It's something that she completely can't help. And yeah, so she's one of the most vulnerable people right now there is, which is rather horrible because I can't take any risk. It's not even like, oh yeah, she's young, she'll be fine, because it's the people that have all the other underlying conditions and stuff that are dying, you know what I mean? So we've got to be extremely careful. I'm just gonna take a seat now, have a break, cool down, stop sweating, take my hoodie off, and yeah, we'll probably record some more in a minute. Love you guys. So, well, change of plan. Me and the old felt over, and now we're going to go meet Lauren halfway because we got here really early. So, yeah, time for you guys to see some videos of me riding because that's what I've got to do, innit? See you in a bit. Yo guys, I've just fucking seen Lauren. I know it's halfway through the video, just thought I'd give it another little yo. You know what I mean? Just on the way home now. Just coming up to this tunnel in Hedgend, you know the one. And yeah, just fucking going home now. Happy day, standard shit. Do you know what I mean? This bit of land here, I really want it. I really want to know who owns it, because I know it's probably owned by Hedgend County Council, whatever the fuck it is, Eastleigh City Council, whatever the fuck it is, but like, you see the gate there and that. Let me just show you in there. Oh, it feels like overgrown in that. If I came down here with my brush cutter, I'd rip straight through all that, couldn't I? Build myself a little house, have a few cars and that. Have a few motorbikes, have my old Phaser 600 down there. You know what I mean? That'd be fucking awesome, I reckon. Calm. I'm just gonna carry on riding now, so fucking swap my hair out. I'll see you guys when I get somewhere a bit closer to home. Do you know what I mean? Got a £10 to my name. Might see what I can do with that. Fuck knows. So see you in a minute. So I'm just social distance walking right now.
We got a stick.
Got Ethan and Rich. Ethan's got a stick. A big metal one. He's making himself a little skate rail.
Are you this far away from me?
Oh! It's about 2 meters, right?
Exactly. You said.
Social distancing done right.
Yeah.